Get excited about the 2018 Kia Sedona. This 8-passenger van offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, fully automatic headlights, lane departure warning, and a blind spot monitoring system. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, brake assist, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call